back. Today I'm going to unbox one of these tactical battery holders. I've kind of wanted one for a while, so I picked one up on Amazon. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So inside we have our battery holder all wrapped up in plastic. So to open it up, you just push on the bottom, and then inside we have 2 rows to put batteries in. Now I ordered 2 of these. I've only gotten one of them so far. The other one's probably going to come tomorrow or the next day. The other thing I ordered is I bought some Amazon batteries. So I haven't tried their rechargeable batteries before, so I'm going to try these for the first time. So I've got a couple of packages of the AAA, and the other thing I picked up is these little sleeves. These sleeves will let you go from a AAA to a AA. Now, if you don't already know, if you use a AA, AAA, C, or D, they're all the exact same voltage. So you can kind of switch them in between each one. So to do that, just slide your bottom on, slide your top on, and then that'll fit right inside to a AA from a AAA. You can also get ones that will go from a AA to a C and a C to a D as well. So you can actually stack these in order to use different ones. But what you can also do is with a AAA battery, you can put it into a D slot and just put a little piece of metal or something that'll allow electricity to go through, and you'll be able to run that no problem. So this should hold 4 batteries. So we'll slide the first one in. All right, those fit in no problem. Let's do 2 more. All right, there we go. So we have 4 AAA batteries in there. It's going to be a nice waterproof case. So it's going to protect them from getting wet, help prevent any damage, prevent any moisture from getting in there so that they don't get damaged. It says we can fit 3 CR123s in here. Let's just double check that we actually can do that and get that to close. That closes up with that in them, no problem at all. Let's also try a 18650 battery, see if we can get that to fit in. So I have some sleeves for some of my flashlights to take an additional sleeve. So they will fit in. And inside right above that, there's still room for another CR123 on top of that. So if you want to put in 2 18650 batteries and then a CR123 right in on top of that, you'll end up with 2 of each battery. Now with 18650 batteries, I have a couple of different size ones that are slightly different diameter. So these red ones that I have, they slide in and out no problem. I have another set that is just slightly bigger, and they will go in. They'll stick a little bit. Now with these ones, if I put these ones in, which I just did a couple minutes ago, they stick really bad. And what I ended up having to do is after I pushed it all the way in, I had to take it on the side of the desk. Give it a couple of whacks. Once I gave it a couple of whacks, I was able to pull it out. So just be aware of that depending on the size of your 18650 batteries. Now, if we look in the middle here, the first time that I got the battery stuck, I found out that this middle piece can actually pull out because it fell out along with the battery. So that can go in and out, and that'll give you a little bit of additional room in there as well. Now, you are supposed to be able to put 4 AAA batteries on each side. So let's try that right now. Now the package certainly says that you can get 4 in there, but I don't see how there's any way that you can make that happen. They'll also fit onto any kind of MOLLE. Show you how we can do that. Inside my 511 backpack, I have the honeycomb pattern that can go in on the inside of the backpack, or it can go on the front of it. On the front of my backpack right now, I have a different pouch on there. I also have a little cheat sheet here from Hazard 4 that'll go into any kind of MOLLE as well. And it'll give you all a cheat sheet on how to do all kinds of different knots as well. So to feed this in, all you need to do is go through your MOLLE pattern. And you can either weave that in and out. And once that's in, we'll close it up. And that's secure, and that's not going to go anywhere. And we'll always know that we have those rechargeable batteries in there. and with a little bit of versatility, so we can go from AAA to AA very quickly and very easily. And I'll just put my cheat sheet back in on how to tie different knots. So I'll slide that back into the honeycomb molly. So I decided I'd move my honeycomb webbing back up to the top and then put my battery holder going sideways. That way when I'm opening up, everything's not kind of falling down. It's going to be off to the side. It also makes it a lot easier for me to put my books and things that I'm storing in there, because my book that way is going to be below it. Once I get my other one, I'll put that right below that one as well. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you get that notification every time that I upload a video.